Well, friends, it's a sad day. It's not AI. It is indeed a fire in the legendary W124 300CE Turbo Coupe. Pretty sad, honestly. I put a lot of energy into this car. This is the car that basically built my channel and connected me with so many of you and brought me so much joy. I learned so much. Turbocharged this car. You know, we have a whole series on it, and I built it up into really something special. And then I sold it, surprisingly, to a local guy, and he enjoyed it for a little bit. And then, you know, a couple weeks ago, this turned up. I got a photo, texted to me, sent me a text, and he's like, man, bad news, car caught on fire. What? I mean, what? Seriously, what? I don't know. I don't know. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the car. I'm gonna show you everything that's still left in it. Everything is up for sale. There is my email and phone number for Auto Afflicted. It's in the link in the description, but it's autoafflicted@gmail.com. You can ring us at the shop line. You can find that in the description as well on our Google listing. But everything is up for sale here. We're gonna take a walk through what's still left, what you might be interested in. There's honestly a lot of goodies here, so we'll walk you through it. Maybe we'll take a moment of silence and yeah, sad news, but maybe it's gonna benefit you. Let's take a look. Right, so here it is. Cooked engine bay, totally cooked. I don't know, how this thing caught on fire. It looks like it burned from the front and back. So I don't know if it was electrical. Honestly, the guy didn't even really tell me. He's just like, man, thing burned up. And then I was like, oh man, I'm gonna jump on over and, make a video about it. And he's like, cool. So, like I said, trying to help him out to get the last values out of this car. But in the engine bay, just really toast. I mean, what's left, honestly, not a lot. I think the Kangaroo's team manifold could be worth something to somebody. It's gonna take a little bit of time to get off, maybe about an hour, maybe 30 minutes. But that didn't burn up, so that's something that could be useful to someone. Also, exhaust parts obviously didn't burn up, so down in here, there's a custom downpipe and a full exhaust on this thing. So that could be useful to someone. Feel free to reach out, shoot me an email, give us a call. Yikes. So maybe you want to take on the exhaust. As far as the chassis goes, like, I put all new everything on the front suspension. We didn't replace the struts, but I did absolutely replace control arms, bushings, steering dampener, everything up front related to the steering and the suspension. I think I went through the rear too, with rear upper control arms and some things like that. Got a full kit from I think it was FCP Euro. So I put that on there. So the suspension on this is really, really fresh. Drives nice and tight. The wheels are still alive. Brabus wheels. These were refurbished. It was probably about a year and a half, almost 2 years ago, when we refurbished these wheels. They're still in good condition. They're just filthy right now. So those could be cleaned up. But I'm just thinking off the top of my head, we're looking for like 3,500 on the wheels. They are authentic Brabus 3-piece. Like I said, we refurbished them. They're staggered. I want to say they're like 10 in the back or something and 9 up front. I can get you the specs. Also, outside of the car, tail lights. These are depot, but they're smoked depot tail lights. Those are pretty cool. I don't know, those are like, what, 125 for the set, probably, I'm thinking. Inside the car, this car has the full Alpine Earthquake of San Francisco stereo with MB Quartz crossovers, custom speakers everywhere. So it has these custom door pods, speaker pods. I think these are kind of cool, and these could be good for somebody. The whole stereo could be purchased. I don't really know what a full cost on that is. I did buy a similar head unit to this recently, a pop-up Alpine head unit. And I think I paid about $600 for it. So I think $600 is still the price for the Alpine head unit. There is Earthquake of San Francisco sub and amps in the back, so I don't know what someone wants for those, but those are good. There's also Earthquake of San Francisco rear speakers. Good speaker system, really cool. And there's an equalizer in the glove box as well. As far as dash goes, you know, if you're building a turbo car, these are auto meter, air fuel, fuel pressure, and boost gauges that are integrated into the knee panel. So, oh God. So whether you're looking to use those actual auto meter gauges and the knee panel, or just utilize the knee panel for your own gauge installation, that could be interesting to you. Willing to take offers on that. Carbon fiber steering wheel. This is a love-hate steering wheel. Some people love it and some people hate it, but probably sell it for like $200. Full carbon fiber. Really pretty nice. I don't know, make an offer. What else? I mean, the seats, I reskinned the seats. There's a whole video about that. So they are MB Techs now, but the rears are full leather. Recently had those replaced. There is a rip in the top of this one, unfortunately. You know, seats could be useful. Make an offer. That's what it's all about, make an offer. There's also chrome monoblocks for this car, original 18-inch chrome monoblock square set. Chrome needs to be refinished, but we could let those go too. So I'll see if I got some photos, I'll upload them. And then I got these dogs barking at me. My dogs. Looking in the trunk here is, yeah, like looking into someone's shed. But anyway, in the trunk here is the Earthquake of San Francisco stuff, Alpine, what is this? Alpine 12 disc, is it a 12 disc changer? Yeah, 12 disc changer, which is pretty sick. The sub in here, which is also ported. Anyway, we could pull that stuff out, sell it. There's a VCR in here as well, new Clarion VCR that goes to this whole system. So VCR runs through this, which is super cool. Or you could hook up a DVD player or something else, game system. I don't know. It's your choice, right? But there you go. This side of the car, the front of the car is totally toast. Everything, you know, past the front quarter panels is good to go. I mean, the front quarter panel looks pretty freaking melted to me, and I don't think there's much to it. But maybe this thing just needs a new hood, and everything in the engine bay. Mono wiper's still good to go. But yeah, the headlights, all the plastics, everything's really pretty well melted, unfortunately. Right, not great. So I don't know, beyond just a lot of heartache, there's something here. And you know, so feel free to throw out offers. We're happy to help you acquire anything on this car. There it is. Sad, right? Sad, sad day. But, you know, things come and go in life, and that's just how it is. So I enjoyed it. The current owner, he enjoyed it, and now I don't know, it's on to the next. So hopefully we can get some of this stuff into your hands, help you guys out, and, you know, keep this thing living on. But yeah, like I said, email, phone number, it's all in the description. If you want a t-shirt like this, you know, you want a blockhead t-shirt, hit me up. Must have for an old head. So yeah, sad, but it is what it is. So y'all be well, keep tinkering with your cars, keep a fire extinguisher handy, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.